more slimes. So here we go.
You ain't
On accident.
Alright.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Put that one in.
So we have this orange slime.
Just shove it.
And this glitter slime.
Just shove it.
We'll show you it when it's done. And
Where's
then we
more
have it.
slime?
Where's our confetti slime?
Remember? We lost it.
The confetti master.
There's this one. This one has beads in it.
What? Just shove it!
If you watched our other video, it was about all the slimes we had.
But
Look at all
the
of
Joe
it.
slime, you see that
Look
purple
at all
one?
of it. Look at all of
You
it.
see the purple one?
Yeah.
You're probably like wondering.
Actually,
That's
I wish I never mixed that purple slime, but I will. At least I get slime still.
I really want to know where our confetti slime is.
Yeah, I really want to mix that because it's really big. Oh well.
Yeah. Come on. Oh my goodness. It is.
It's like the purple took over. See, everyone? The purple took over the whole entire thing.
Come on, just keep on. Because that slime was the
I'm
biggest
trying to mix
slime.
it all up, where the purple's not only showing. Because, like, you can't even see the... Look at all the green. You can't even see my orange slime that we used to have.
It is so huge.
Look
But
at
we're
it.
going to add lotion, so stay
We are?
tuned.
Oh.
Yep.
What about don't forget to leave a like in the comments. Thanks, guys.
I forgot about the foam beads. That is
Yeah.
not the stretchiest
There's little foam
slime.
beads. It was
Not
from
the
that blue.
stretchiest slime. This isn't a stretchy slime. Look at all that.
Okay. Look at this big blob.
Let me though. You know what? I think the slime could be in here.
What?
The slime.
Oh, that's what... The confetti slime might be in there? I think it might be over there.
Probably.
Look at all of it, everyone. I could use this as a punching bag. It's very soft, though.
Hey. In front of a video?
Oh, you can see the little screen. It's like it took over my orange slime. A lot of that orange sparkles is just like that orange slime I used to have. But now it's in here somewhere. Let's open it. Ooh, I see some of it.
I'm looking for the confetti
Right there.
slime right now, so.
Let's open it.
I wish everything was slime. What if slime cat? What if those little caps, those little water cap things, what if they were made out of slime?
I'm just gonna let it drop. See when it's. I'm just gonna stretch it real quick and let it drop.
Guys, if you ever want a slime world, be lucky with your slime food.
I'm just gonna drop it in. Just gonna see. See in the bowl. Ooh, no. Oh, wow, it broke.
Logan. Say. On the next video.
Did you find the confetti slime?
No.
I think we just messed up.
But our next video will be showing squishy.
It's like the purple took the whole entire thing. All you can see is purple. Only a little bit. It's kind of like a blue purple.
Can I play with it?
Here.
Look how much I get compared to hers.
Here. Hey, I get this much. Wow.
This isn't really stretchy.
From...
No.
No, this is what you're just going to play with. I just act girl. There's like a little beady.
I'm gonna use the lid. Ooh! You know what dogs would like? Playing with slime.
Why?
Slime is fun!
No, dogs will eat the slime. That's not good because it's made out of glue.
Yeah.
What are you putting in there? Oh.
Lotion. That
Yeah.
lotion is almost gone.
No.
No. Put perfume.
Here, perfume.
perfume.
Madison, you just messed up the video. Put your arm in front of everything.
And that sounded like someone dying off of Roblox.
Who?
You like that.
I just put perfume. This is the perfume.
It is mixed with flower petals and berries.
Here, read it. Right there. Fresh.
Right there. Red. Ooh.
Here, smell it, everyone. Here, let me spray it on y'all's. See it? You see it?
Haley, I'm doing it. Don't waste all my perfume, girl.
Wonder why it's blue and it comes out white.
I know. Because the bottle. Oh, probably the bottle is very.
Ooh, who put glue on this?
That's not
lotion.
good.
I want all that lotion on.
This is about to be stretchy, but right now it's just like. What?
It's weird. It's like you can't even stretch it wide.
I'm still thinking about the confetti slime.
Yeah, I wonder where it's at.
Is it
Oh,
in-
guys, if you can imaginary come to our house and please come imaginary find our confetti slime. If you look in our other video, we have this white confetti slime with like these little circle gem things in them. So leave it down below if you see it in this video anywhere behind us or something. Thanks, guys. It's in the video.
Come on.
Okay, everybody. And our